Hello there, my name's Mike Philman and I'm the Education Coordinator here at WGVU Public Media, and I would like to share with you a few moments in science. Air has pressure and pushes down on us. Interesting to read, but I wonder what that looks like. Let's find out. What I have, we're going to take that concept of air pressing down, and did you know that for every square inch, there's 14.7 pounds of air straight above us that pushes down on us, Earth. You don't feel it because we spread that all out. But let's take the concept of air pressing down and let's see the effect of air pressing down. And what I'm going to do to show you that is I'm going to take just a regular jar with a hard-boiled egg with the shell removed. You want the shell removed. And what I'm going to do is simply take that and use that concept of air pressing down and try to get that egg to go into the jar. But to do that, I'm going to need to use a fire and a flame. So what I'm going to do is simply put a fire inside the bottle. That fire is going to use up some of the oxygen in the air, and it's going to actually cause the air inside to heat up inside the bottle. This causes the air in the bottle to expand, and when the fire goes out, the air inside the bottle will cool. As it cools, the air contracts and the pressure of the air inside the bottle becomes less, so that the pressure on the outside will push the egg into the bottle. Let's see it happen. So we're going to take just a piece of paper and we're going to light the paper and get it to go into the bottle. Notice the egg is kind of bouncing. When it bounces like that, what's happening is the warm air is trying to escape out of the jar. At that point, when that fire goes out, that egg, there's less pressure inside the jar because the air inside of there was heated, it expands. When the flame goes out, the air gets cooler inside the jar, which causes a less air pressure. That's then where the air that's pressing down on us, that the book said, that air is pressing down on us, forces the egg into the jar. Now, here's the next question. How do you get the egg out of the jar, right? That's what I bet you're thinking, all right? I want to kind of use that same concept. And what I want to do is simply get the egg into the neck of the bottle. And I could take a hammer, I could take a fork, I could take whatever and try to smash it apart and break it out, but I don't want to do that. I have to get greater air pressure inside the jar again, all right? So what I'm going to do is simply blow into the jar, and at that point, when I blow into the jar, it will create greater air pressure inside of there, and the egg should pop out. Let's see. And this may take a minute. It's coming slowly but surely. And there is the egg out of the jar, intact. Science is fun, but remember, you must respect science. My name is Mike Philman, Education Coordinator here at WGVU Public Media. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed a few moments in science. Thank you.